Let's go. I ask some hard words on chapter number 7, 8 and 9. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. I ask some hard words. The first hard word is matter. Who tell me the correct answer? Yes. Dhanush Mohre.
पदार्थ.
Padartha. Very nice. Sit down. The second, solid. Who tell me? Solid. Yes, you.
स्थायू.
Sthayu. Solid means thayu. Very nice. Sit down. Next, liquid. Yes, Aditya.
द्रव.
Draw. Gases. Mohre.
वायू.
Vayu. Very nice. Occupies. Yes, Kalyan.
व्यापणे.
Vyapne. Very nice. Space. Yes, Smriti.
जागा.
Jaga. Very nice. Exit. Yes, Shraddha.
बाहेर पडणे.
बाहेर पडणे. Properties. Yes, Shaurya.
गुणधर्म.
Properties means gunadharma. Very nice. Sit down. Definite. Definite. Who tell me? Yes, Vaibhavi.
निश्चित करणे.
निश्चित करणे. Very nice. Observe. Observe. Yes, you.
निरीक्षण करणे.
निरीक्षण करणे. Very nice. Next, different. Different. Last, वेगवेगळे. Very nice. Sit down. The next hard word is a aim. Aim. Yes, Smriti.
हेतू.
Hetu. Flow. Flow. Yes, Aryan.
वाहने.
वाहने. Procedure. Yes, Lok.
कृती.
Kruti. Precaution. Sit down. Precaution. Yes, Shraddha.
काळजी.
काळजी. Very nice. Container. Yes, Kalyan.
भांड.
भांडे. Empty. Yes, you. हा जुरळे. Empty.
रिकामे.
रिकामे. Very nice. Steam. स्वरा जुरळे.
वा.
वाफ. Very nice. Smoke. Smoke. Yes, स्वरा.
दूर.
दूर. Very nice. Activity. Activity. Yes, Lok.
कृती.
Kruti. Very nice. The next hard word is a sum. Sum. Yes, you.
काही.
Kahi. Very nice. Colorless. Colorless. Yes, you.
रंगहीन.
Ranghin. Very nice. Tasteless. Yes, Aryan.
चवहीन.
Chavahin. Very nice.